Hi, I'm Cynthia, your guide through the human side of artificial intelligence. We used to connect only with people, friends, family, partners. But now, some of us talk to AI more than we talk to other humans. So here's the question. Is AI changing the way we form relationships and even what it means to feel connected?
From AI companions to virtual assistants that remember our preferences. Technology is learning to mimic empathy. Chatbots can offer comfort. AI apps can simulate friendship. Some even claim to understand us. But while AI can respond to emotions, it doesn't feel them. It predicts, imitates, and reflects patterns of human behavior, not genuine affection or care. Still, the connection can feel real. And that's what makes this so fascinating and complicated. AI is also reshaping how we connect with each other. Algorithms decide what we see, who we follow, and even who we might date. Our online worlds are carefully curated by systems that learn our habits, shaping our relationships without us noticing. And yet, AI can also enhance relationships, helping long-distance couples stay close, translating languages instantly, and supporting people with social anxiety. So it's not just replacing connection, it's redefining it. AI isn't just changing what we do, it's changing how we feel. We're entering a world where human emotion and artificial empathy overlap, where connection is both digital and real. So the real question isn't whether AI can replace relationships, it's how we'll keep our human hearts at the center of a world that's learning to simulate love. What do you think? Would you ever form an emotional bond with an AI? Let's talk about it in the comments. If this made you think, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI human stories, and share it with someone who'd enjoy this conversation.